Here's what Terra Classic market cap would be when Lunc hits $1 and what ChatGPT sees for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. If you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's talk firstly about $1 price for Terra Classic. Lunc market statistics have been impressive over the past few weeks. Data obtained from CoinGecko, a leading crypto assets tracking site, revealed Lunc market value to have increased by approximately 261.3% and 205.5% in the previous month and the past 14 days, respectively. The statistics above imply good tidings for a crypto asset struggling to remain afloat over the past few months. Notably, Lunc, one-time Luna, has experienced a rough journey since its release. After attaining an all-time high of about $119.20 in April 2022, Luna's value plunged to a fraction of zeros in May 2022. The collapse above was predominantly due to some unfortunate events that led to the collapse of its stablecoin, USTC. Nevertheless, the Terra Classic development team has been working to revive the ecosystem tokens, which is evident in recent price actions. Although Lunc has shed little of its gains over the 24 hours, it remains among the top 50 cryptocurrencies, as it recently deleted a zero from its fraction of zeros. Should the above price movement persist a little longer, it would not be daunting for Lunc to achieve a price high in the range of $1. It is worth noting that Lunc was projected to attain a $1 price mark in November, following a Terra Classic USD surge of about 160%. In a deeper sense, Terra Classic achieving a $1 price level would invariably pump its market cap to new highs. Barring any changes to Lunc's circulating supply, Lunc at $1 would imply a significant increase in the token's market capitalization value. For context, Lunc's projected increase to the $1 price level would imply a 400 to 16,566%. Based on calculations, Lunc at $1 would imply a market cap surge to over $5.8 trillion. This value is far above Lunc all-time market cap of $40.99 billion. The above indicates that for Lunc to achieve a $1 price level, there is a strong possibility that the token's circulating supply will reduce. With the current circulating supply, the Terra Classic community should stop chasing the dream of Lunc reaching $1 anytime soon. However, it is left to see how events unfold. Notably, there have been significant efforts to reduce Lunc's massive supply, with Binance at the forefront of the burn project. And what about the next price rally for Lunc token? The Terra Classic price has been soaring since the last few days of November, following an investment in its algorithmic stablecoin, USTC. The move was an attempt to rejuvenate the fallen and debugged stablecoin, which also witnessed a significant rise in its value. However, the USTC price failed to sustain the gains, but the Lunc price maintained a healthy upswing despite an interim pullback that occurred in between. The Lunc price has demonstrated acute strength in history, and a similar price action has been witnessed in recent times. With this, the token is slowly approaching crucial levels, which may be the threshold of the upcoming bull run. In the short term, the token is facing some bearish actions, but the bulls can hold the price close to the gains. This suggests that the bulls will continue to remain active and trigger a fresh upswing very soon. Ever since the price triggered a healthy upswing, it has been trading within an ascending parallel channel. The Bollinger Bands also have displayed immense variation, indicating the token has been volatile. However, the bands have been trading parallel, indicating a drop in volatility levels fueled by a drop in volume. Besides, the MACD is also closer to flashing a buy signal as the selling volume depletes. Now that the bears are actively taking out minor profits, the Lunc price could find a strong support base between 0.30 and $17 and 0.30 and $19. Therefore, the price is expected to manifest a strong bullish move, as the squeeze in Bollinger Band suggests. Therefore, in the coming days, a notable rise could lift the Terra Classic price towards the upper resistance above 0.30 and $31, with a significant growth in the buying pressure. Let's talk more about predicts for Lunc price for start of 2024. As it happens, the AI platform has predicted that the price of Lunc could end up somewhere in the projected range of a minimum price of 0.40 and $96, which would represent a decrease of 60.49% to its current price, an average of 0.30 and $118, down 51.44%, and a maximum price of 0.30 and $14, down 42.38%. According to ChatGPT, it has taken into account factors including price action, sentiment, technical analysis indicators such as MA, RSI, and MACD, as well as fundamental developments and regulatory climate. As things stand, Lunc was at press time trading at the price of 0.30 and $243, which suggests a modest increase of 0.57% on the day, but an impressive advance of 157.55% on its weekly chart, adding up to its previous gains that have accumulated to 270.68% in the last month alone. And lastly, let's talk about Terra's proposal. Terra LUNA Classic proposal is approved by the community to cut down a significant number of validators on the Terra Classic chain. The proposal received backlash from some validators and members of the Terra LUNA Classic community due to security, centralization, and growth risk. But it has surpassed the pass threshold as some validators in the top 100 voted in favor. Proposal 11888 decreased the validator set of Terra Classic to 100 from 135, has surpassed the pass threshold. It aims to drop small validators on claims that fewer requirements to become a validator allow bad actors to create validators and impersonate others. The validator set size in the Terra Classic is 130, and the last validator won the 113th place has 86 Lunc delegated to them at the time of writing, which means that anyone can launch a Terra Classic validator without any serious efforts, as per the proposal. Some validators earlier argued that inactive and non-participating validators must be dropped from the chain. The proposal tries to affirm that passing the proposal will benefit small validators due to the dynamic commission module and redelegation. The proposal has received 31.69% yes votes, along with 22.49% no and 46 abstain votes. The community believes the proposal can harm the chain due to centralization, contrary to the decentralization goal. Also, it will decrease security of the chain and harm small validators trying to contribute to the community. The largest validator, Allnodes, refrained from taking a side and voted abstain. 14 validators voted yes, 25 no, and 16 abstain. And a little bit of important news for last. Crypto exchange BitMEX, co-founded by billionaire Arthur Hayes, has announced a plan to list Terra Classic Lunc perpetual contract. The move came amid a massive 3-digit rally in Terra Classic tokens Lunc and USTC. BitMEX even launched a Terra Classic USD USTC perpetual contract, offering up to 10x leverage. What do you think about $1 price for Lunc in this year or next? And do you trust ChatGPT's opinion on Lunc's price analysis? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.